Hi guys, my name is Sanjay Kambarik and today I am going to teach you an excellent skill and benefits of the spoken English. There are so many benefits in spoken English. Among them, I want to tell you that most 5 benefits of the spoken English. If you are learning spoken English, how can you get its benefit? So let's know the 5 benefits of the spoken English. My first point is that it will improve your brain power. You know guys, if you are learning spoken English, then it will improve your brain power. You can remember lots of lessons. And if you are forgetting everything, whatever you are learning, whatever you are reading, and whatever you are practicing, then it is a big problem. If you learn spoken English, first of all, you can improve your brain power. You can remember all the lesson, whatever you are learning, whatever you are reading, and whatever you are listening. So it is the best benefit of the spoken English. So my next point is that it will help you to speak fluently. You know, guys, and those people have no practice. They speak very slowly, and that create big problem, and it create buffering. Sometimes they make the sound so lots of problems happening while they are speaking. Their tongue is getting problem, brain is getting problem. So I would like to tell you that if you are learning spoken English, then you can improve your brain power, and you can also speak fluently and speedily and whatever you are wanting. So I would like to tell you that next point, it will improve your vocabulary. You know guys, vocabulary is the most important part of your life, because without vocabulary you cannot make a sentence, you cannot make a phrase, or you cannot make a clause. I would like to tell you that if you want to speak or better English, or if you want to express your views in developed way, so you should have to improve your vocabulary. Vocabulary make you strong, and vocabulary bring you success, vocabulary make you powerful. So that's why it is very important for us. My next point is it will solve your mistakes. You know guys, in our day-to-day life, from morning to till night, we are doing so many silly mistakes. So that is knowingly or unknowingly. I would like to tell you that if you are learning spoken English, you can get the skill, that is body language. Through the body language, you can solve your problems or silly mistakes that is happening with you. So whatever the silly mistakes you have, you can judge yourself, you can find yourself, you can solve yourself. So spoken English is the most important part of our life. Without spoken English, you cannot prove yourself as a smart fellow. So let's know the next point. It will help you to get job. You know guys, if you don't know English, or spoken English, you cannot sit in the interview. If you are sitting in the interview, then you will face trouble to speak properly and fluently with proper communication. I would like to tell you that spoken English improve your knowledge, spoken English improve your brain power, spoken English improve your tongue power. You can speak better fluently with proper communication, and you can pass the interview. In spite of that, you are getting lots of job if you are learning spoken English. First of all, you can be a good tutor, good teacher, good lecturer, good trainer, good writer, and good poet. And I would like to tell you that if you can be a receptionist in 5-star hotel, you can be a customer care executive, you can be a hostess. Lots of opportunity will come towards you, and you can get your job offer, you can solve your problem, you can improve your earning. So I would like to tell you that this is the 5 benefits of the spoken English. Once again, I am repeating this. That is, it will improve your brain power, it will help you to speak fluent English, then it will improve your vocabulary, then it will solve your silly mistakes, then it will help you to get job. So I hope you betterly understand what is the benefits of the spoken English. I request all of you guys, if you are educated and if you are learning in school or college, you should learn spoken English. By this way, you can prove yourself as a smart fellow. Thank you.